2026 is not just another year. It's a universal year 1 in numerology. That means it's the first year of a brand new 9-year cycle. So if you've been feeling this quiet pressure building up inside of you, like your old life is getting too small, like the old version of you can't keep doing the same routine, listen, you're not crazy. You're early. And I want to give you the clearest message possible so you can use this energy the right way. I'm Edgar the Alchemist for spiritual evolution. And I don't believe in coincidences. The universe brought you to this video at the perfect time. Trust the spiritual algorithm for your life. Look, a year 1 in numerology is not a gentle energy. A year 1 is honest energy. It rewards movement and it exposes hesitation. Now let me make this simple for you. Here's the numerology. 2026. 2026. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 equals 10. And 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 2026 is a universal year 1 in numerology. And that's why I'm telling you this is a reset year. Not because it's trendy to say this. Not because people love the word reset. But because this is literally the first step to the next cycle. Now let's talk about what you just walked through. 2025. 2025 in numerology was a year of completion. It had the energy where you close chapters. You're closing cycles, outgrowing people, outgrowing identities, outgrowing places. And even if you didn't want to let go, you kind of had to, because deep down you can feel it. The old you is just not going to survive this next chapter. So if 2025 felt heavy, if 2025 felt like you were shedding some skin, old skin like a snake, if it felt like endings kept showing up, that was not punishment. That was preparation. Now here's where 2026 flips everything. A universal year 1 is the seed year. It's the year where your life starts responding to who you are deciding to become. Not who you were trained to be by society. Not who you were when you were afraid. Not who you were when you needed approval. Year 1 asks you one question. Who are you now? And it's not a motivational question. It's a practical one. Because year 1 is identity. Year 1 is initiation. Year 1 is leadership. Even if you hated attention, even if you're introverted, even if you've been healing in silence, year 1 still asks you to lead your own life. You don't have to lead others. It's about leading yourself. It asks you to choose a direction, and it asks you to stop living in split timelines, because split energy creates stuck results. Now let me tell you what this looks like in real life. In 2026, you are going to feel a stronger intolerance for what drains you. Your nervous system is going to begin to reject things that you used to tolerate. Low-level friendships, half commitment, scrolling instead of building, talking about your dreams instead of taking action on them. And it might just happen automatically. You might not even know that you're changing. You'll just know when it happens and that you can never go back to your old self again. That's year 1. It's the part of you that is trying to initiate the next version of you, a more grounded, a more healed version of you. Now here are 3 signs that you are already sinking in with this energy. Sign number 1 is you feel restless, not like anxious, just restless, like you're meant for more, like something inside of you is done waiting. Sign number 2, your standards are rising. You're less available for chaos, less available for confusion, less available for people that only show up when it benefits them. And sign number 3, you keep getting pulled towards a new path, a new idea, a new project, a new identity, even if it's scary. It may be content creation, it may be healing work, maybe it's finally building something of your own, and maybe you've been trying to talk yourself out of it, but it keeps coming back. That's not random. That's the seed trying to sprout. Now here's the part that makes this even more interesting. This is where we bring in the confirmation layer. Chinese New Year does not start on January 1st. In 2026, the Lunar New Year begins on February 17th, 2026. And that starts the year of the fire horse, meaning January is more like a bridge. It can feel like you're in a hallway in between timelines. And then as you approach mid-February, the momentum gets louder. This is exactly what's gonna happen. So if you're still watching this video before February 17th, then what you're feeling right now is a shift, but not fully locked in yet, because you're in the bridge right now. You're crossing over. Now let's talk about this fire horse energy real quick. What does a fire horse energy symbolize? In a way that is actually going to aid you in your journey. Forward motion, boldness, courage, speed, a stronger push towards freedom. And listen, I'm not telling you all of this so you can get lost in predictions. I'm telling you this because it matches the numerology perfectly. Universal year 1 says begin. Fire horse says move. So the question becomes, what are you going to start? And what are you going to stop holding on to? What are you going to stop carrying into this new year? Because you can't start a clean cycle while dragging the weight of the old one. Now, before we finish this video, I'm going to give you a year 1 protocol. Simple, no fluff. And if you do this, you will feel the difference. I promise you, you will. Step 1, pick your new identity for 2026. Not your goal, a version of you. Identity. Who you are now as a creator, as a builder, here to create their life, as a healer who takes their gift seriously and spreads it as service. Step number 2, pick one direction, because a year 1 energy punishes scattered energy. Year 1 rewards focus and vision. Pick one main focus, one main skill, one main platform, one main mission. And step 3, pick one daily non-negotiable action. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, it doesn't matter. What matters is it's daily, because the cycle responds to consistency. Step number 4, pick one thing that you are done carrying. One attachment you are done holding on to. One habit, one relationship dynamic, one fear that keeps you small, one lie you keep telling yourself. And you let it go with intention and purpose. Not because life forced you, but because you decided. And let me say this clearly. Year 1 will expose indecision. If you stay split in your actions, you will be stuck. But if you choose direction, you will feel the momentum. And remember, most of the time, the direction doesn't really even matter which one you choose, because the cosmic plan is always happening for you in the background anyway. All events lead back to your destiny. I want you to understand something. You finding this video right now is not random. This is your confirmation to start, to plant something real, to stop waiting for permission, to stop waiting until you feel ready. There's a reason you're watching this video, because inside you know you are meant for a bigger purpose, a soul's purpose. 2026 is the year you stop hiding your gift, because if you have a gift, whether that's speaking your truth, healing, content creation, whatever, then that means there's an audience ready to listen to you. That's just how energy works. And that's it for this video. My name is Edgar, the Alchemist, for spiritual evolution. Go check out our Discord. The Lighthouse is a community for lightworkers, and all my other services as well. All those links will be in the video description down below. But other than that, Soul Fam, I love you. You got this.